He's like, oh, this shit is gross. Yeah.
You try to spit it out.
He's like, what are you guys doing to me?
Jeffrey loved this stuff. Mind you, there was alcohol in it back then.
That's why he's so fucked up
Like,
today.
get that away from my face, woman.
He's like, okay, no more. No more.
It's almost done.
He's like, no. No. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. I don't know.
Are you done, Grandma?
Of course she's not. Big old mean grandma. Think about it.